Hello friends and welcome back. Today in this video we'll solve this algebraic problem. If 8x cubed minus 3x square minus 3x minus 1 that is equal to 0, then we'll have to find the value of x. So friend, please subscribe my channel and do not forget to like the video. Let's start the video. Now for solving this problem we'll write 3x square minus 3x minus 1 in the one side means left hand side, so we'll write minus 3x square minus 3x minus 1 that is equal to, then we have 8x cube in the left hand side, so we'll take this in the right hand side. It will be negative 8x cube. Now friend, from here we can take negative 1 common, so we'll take negative common, so it will be 3x square plus, here we have taken minus common, so it will be 3x and plus 1 that is equal to minus 8x cube. So here negative and negative gets cancelled, so we can write 3x square plus 3x plus 1 that is equal to 8x cube. Now here if we look at it, is 3x square plus 3x and 1, so it is in the form of 3 times x square plus 3x, and we can write 1 square plus 1 cube. So friend, for making it x plus 1 whole cube, we'll have to add x cube. So now if we'll add x plus 1 here, that is cube, then it will be x cube plus 3a square b means x square and b means 1, and plus 3a means x and b square 1 square plus 1 cube. So friend, this is the formula of x plus 1 whole cube. So we have this value from here to here, we have these values from here to here. Now we have added extra x cube, so we have added left hand side x cube, so we'll have to also add x cube in the right hand side, so we'll add 8x cube plus x cube. So here this x cube and x cube we have added left hand side and right hand side. Now here it is in the form of x plus 1 whole cube, so we can write x plus 1 whole cube. Now in the right hand side, 8x cube plus x cube, it is 9x cube. Now from here, for calculating the value of x, we'll power both sides by 1 over 3. So look at here, x plus 1, we have cube here, and now we'll multiply powered by 1 by 3. So here left hand side we have powered by 1 by 3, therefore here 9x cube, and we'll power it by 1 by 3. Now here 3 and 1 over 3 gets cancelled, so we have in the left hand side x plus 1. Now for calculating and splitting the value of x, it is in the form of a times b and powered by m, and we can write it as a powered by m times b powered by m. So friend, likewise here we will power 9 powered by 1 by 3 times x cube here, x cube, and powered by 1 by 3, 1 by 3 here. Here 3 and 1 by 3 gets cancelled. Now we can write it as x plus 1, and here we have 9 powered by 1 by 3. This value we can write it as under root 9 exponent 3, and that is multiplied by x here. So we'll multiply by x. Now in the next step, we'll take this value in the left hand side, so we can write x, and now we'll write it is negative under root 9 exponent 3x, and now we'll write this one in the right hand side, so it will be negative 1. So now from here we can take x common, x is common in the both the terms, so we'll write it here. So we'll take x common, and the remaining here is 1 minus under root 9 exponent 3 bracket close, that is equal to negative 1. And from here we will calculate the value of x, then x is equal to negative 1 divided by 1 minus under root 9 exponent 3. So this is one solution, and we can write x in the another form. This is one solution, so we can write x in the another form. Now x is equal to, if we'll take this term first and we'll take negative 1 common, then negative and negative gets cancelled, so we can write 1 over under root 9 exponent 3 minus 1, So this is one more value of x. So we have the solution of x as -1 divided by 1 minus under root 9 exponent 3 and 1 over under root 9 exponent 3 -1. So friend, this is the answer. We have the value of x here. This is our answer. So friend, if still you have not subscribed the channel, please do subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching the video.